The shop is finished, had the concrete poured, and I've actually had the doors open now for about 2 or 3 weeks now. Been doing some work here and there. I've actually already got one job out the door. A partial portion of the job's already out the door. Now I got the Volkswagen that I'm working on, which is a complete 100% overall paint job. So there's just a lot of things I got to update y'all on that I haven't. And I apologize for that, but I will get to it. One thing I want to clarify, in case you follow me and you know me personally or you know of me or whatever, the name of my shop is Versatile Coat, and that's pronounced Versatile. One of the issues I'm running into is that a lot of people, when they see it, they tend to say Versatile Coat, and I know that kind of rolls off the tongue a little bit different, which is fine. I mean, you can say it however you want. There's no wrong way to say it, but I pronounce it myself Versatile Coat, and I think it just rolls off my tongue better, and it makes it just like easier to say. So I know I've had a couple of people ask me, what's Versatile Coats mean and stuff. Well, it's actually Versatile Coats in my eyes. And basically, Versatile Coats is versatile paint coats, versatile paint films. I've been in the paint industry for 12, 13 plus years, anywhere from automotive to industrial and even some commercial and residential. So I have a lot of experience painting, spray application, epoxy, urethane, polyurethane, lacquers. That's kind of why I went with a Versatile Coat, because I also do airbrushing. Eventually, I want to roll into doing some powder coating and some bed lining. But for right now, I'm going to stick to doing just some minor body and some paint. So that's why the name is Versatile Coat. So I just kind of want to clarify that. But other than that, guys, I do have some shirts coming. I have a couple of caps that I'm making. I'm going to see which design I like best. I created the logos and everything on Photoshop myself, so they're not going to be like 100%, even and proportional. I can't wait to get my hands on those caps. Hopefully, they'll be done this week. They've been on order now for a couple of weeks now, so hopefully they're done this week so I can start wearing those. I wear these shirts a lot in a lot of my videos because I have a bunch of these. These are just old uniforms that I used to have. So when I get my cap in and my shirts in, I'll be wearing that more often. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel. To this channel, this is the behind the scenes. This is my main channel I'm going to be using for all my vlogs. If you want to follow along with the company, Versatile Coats, I have a separate YouTube channel, a separate Instagram. That's going to be more based on the actual jobs themselves, before and after. It's going to be pretty much all just my product that I'm putting out there, the services I offer. I want to rebrand right now from Versatile Elements, which is the original brand I wanted to go with. I still want to stick with Versatile. I like that name a lot for naming structure. I think I'm going to pick something else just because I'm having a lot of trouble getting people to understand what it means. But I do multiple things. I do photography. I have a paint shop now, and of course my main page. Eventually I have a podcast page I've been trying to work on getting going, but that's kind of on the back burner because right now all my focus and my attention has been here. Of course, if y'all know, for the past couple of months I've been keeping y'all updated, getting the shop and getting the booth installed and just getting everything done and cleaned out. It's been some work, and I've had some help along the way from my brothers and some friends and family. It came in clutch, but it's still a lot. So hopefully things will get back to normal, settle down a little bit. Like I said, I've been open for a couple of weeks now. I'm trying to get the ball rolling on a consistent basis. Once I post all the content I have backed up, then I'll post pretty regularly, as much as I can. But right now I have to go back and so y'all can kind of see where we're at sequentially. I have to go back and post, everything I have in sequential order. I don't want to kind of throw everybody off by just starting to post, what's going on in the shop. So just tune in for that, guys. Tune in, subscribe if you haven't. Like I said, subscribe to my Instagram page. You'll see some stuff there. Follow me on Facebook. I have a page there. If you like it, hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below. Any interaction with the page helps me out tremendously, guys. You have no idea how grateful I am. I already hit 200 subscribers, which is great. I really want to try to hit 500 sometime this year. Small little milestone goes to me, go a long way. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. If you like the video, hit the like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.